Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily adjust your BMW F30 handbrake. Over time, the handbrake can become loose, reducing its effectiveness. This simple adjustment will help restore proper function and ensure your vehicle is safe. You won't need many specialized tools, just some common items you likely already have. Let's get started and get that handbrake working perfectly again. First, ensure your car is on a level surface and safely jack up the rear of your BMW F30, using jack stands for security. Next, remove the rear wheel to gain clear access to the brake assembly. You'll then need to locate a small adjustment hole on the brake disc. This hole allows you to reach the internal handbrake mechanism without disassembling the entire brake system. Now, insert a flathead screwdriver through the adjustment hole. You'll be looking for a star wheel inside. Rotate this star wheel downwards to expand the handbrake shoes. Continue tightening until the wheel can no longer be turned by hand. Once tight, back off the adjustment by turning the star wheel upwards for about 2 to 5 clicks. This ensures the shoes are close but not dragging. With the adjustment complete, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your BMW F30. Inside the car, test the handbrake lever. It should now engage firmly within 3 to 5 clicks. Verify that the handbrake holds the car securely on a slight incline. If necessary, repeat this straightforward process on the other rear wheel to ensure balanced and effective handbrake operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.